Hello and welcome back to Tech for Teachers. Today's episode, we're going to be talking about Google Maps Treks. And I know this is specifically a Google app, Google program, but it is available on iOS or Android. So whatever tablet or phone cellular device that your students have, this is going to work on there. So I thought it was a great resource. It is a great opportunity for students to see other places in the world and really go up close and see what it looks like. And so it's a really cool app, especially as a social studies teacher, trying to show students other parts of the world that maybe, they wouldn't be able to see or they don't really get to experience. And you can also do this through VR as well. Google has a program for that. So to start us off here, we'll just go to El Capitan in Yosemite National Park, and we're going to take the climb. And so they have a video with most of these, so you can watch the video and look at the video and kind of the surrounding areas. And then we can follow the climbers as we go through. You can kind of go all the way to the top, and we can look from here. As you can see, you have the climber going. Now this might be a little bit scary for some students. But it really shows you, what it is like. You're on the flat face of El Capitan, being able to look around. And so you can show students different parts of the world. You can maybe have them make a plan for, hey, maybe they're going to go on vacation. Which of these locations would they most like to go to? You can do some geographic activities, writing activities to go along with these. And it's just a great way to switch things up. With COVID, with lack of funds, it's really hard to take any field trips at all, let alone to places like El Capitan or to Europe or Asia. And so this is a really cool opportunity for students. This is something, you're going to allow students who maybe have never left their hometown to get to see things like this. So you're definitely doing ISTE 2.2b, advocating and giving equitable access to all students, as well as this is something that you could show your colleagues 2.2c and just show them, hey, this is a great way to explore different locations. It's free, it's accessible, and I would definitely suggest using Google Maps Treks.